Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online classes. In one of my classes last week, I noticed that a student of mine still had her Christmas tree and all of her Christmas decorations up, even though it's nearly February. I commented on this and asked what the plan was, and she said that basically where she is at the moment, it's really cold and dark and depressing, and as a result, she basically can't bring herself to take the tree down. If you say that you can't bring yourself to do something, you basically mean that you're not able to make yourself do this unpleasant thing. So maybe there's a problem between you and your partner and you know that you should try and sort things out, but you just can't bring yourself to talk to them about it. Maybe you've had a row with someone, or you've insulted or upset someone, and you know that you should really apologise, but you just can't bring yourself to do it. We also use it to talk about the past. So, maybe you signed a contract without reading the small print, and now you regret it. And you might be talking about this to a friend and saying, looking back on it, I realise I should have read through all the small print, but there were so many pages that I just couldn't bring myself to look at it. And maybe someone in your family gives you a Christmas or a birthday present that you really don't like, but you don't have the heart to tell them you don't like it, and you can't quite bring yourself to get rid of it. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use can't or couldn't bring myself to do something.